Hello everyone, welcome all the class 8 student. Today we will discuss important points of chapter number 19, that is pollution of air, and we will also discuss that how can we solve the exercise in a better way. So let's start it. The important points of this chapter are: you all know that air consists of a mixture of gases where 78% is nitrogen gas, 21% is oxygen, and other gases are also present but in very small quantity. Air pollutants are the substance which contaminate the air. Okay, like carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide, these all things are air pollutant. Then carbon monoxide, which is get produced by incomplete burning. This is very important, always keep this in mind, that whenever we talk about carbon monoxide, it will be produced by incomplete burning of fossil fuels such as petrol, diesel, etc. And it is a poisonous gas. It reduces the capacity of blood to transport oxygen. Also, it combines with hemoglobin and makes carboxyhemoglobin, which is very lethal to us. Moving ahead, smoke. Smoke word is made up from two words, that is smoke plus fog. Okay, so you can understand it well now, that it is made up from the oxides of nitrogen and pollutants, and what it does, it makes breathing difficulties such as asthma, causing wheezing in children. Wheezing means जिसे हम लोग हिंदी में कहते हैं सांस फूलना, डेट प्रॉब्लम. Moving ahead, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, which is produced by the combustion of fuels like coal in power plant and petrol refineries area are the major source for its excretion, and it can cause respiratory problems. CFCs, which are widely used in refrigerator, air conditioners, and aerosol sprays, and it damages the ozone layer of atmosphere. Tiny particles which are produced by steel making and mining. Acid rain, which react with water. The oxides of sulfur and nitrogen which are present in air, they react with water and causes acid rain. This acid rain derodes the structure of marble and very tall buildings and monuments. That degradation of marble is known as marble cancer. Air pollution, when the air is contaminated by unwanted substances. Chemical contamination, when discharge of harmful chemicals into rivers and streams occur. Global warming, the average temperature of Earth's atmosphere is gradually increasing due to increasing level of greenhouse gases like CO2. This is known as global warming. Beta, you can take a screenshot of all this because these all are very important definition. So when you have to define global warming or greenhouse effect, so these all definitions will help you. Greenhouse effect, the trapping of radiation by Earth's atmosphere due to increased level of CO2. So you can understand that the gas which is responsible for greenhouse effect mainly is CO2. Moving ahead, now we will discuss the exercise part. The first question is, and dissolves in water to form acid rain. तो जैसे भी मैंने डिस्कस किया, तो मैंने कहा कि सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड एंड नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड. सो द फर्स्ट आंसर विल बी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड, and there will be SO2 also. This will be better if we write okay, so it will be better like if we write first में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की जगह आप यहाँ पे सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड कर लोगे तो डेट विल बी बेटर. ठीक है, आप इसे लिख दीजिएगा सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड. दीज ऑल आर द गैसेज विच आर responsible for acid rain, and in short form we can write what? We can write SO2 NO2. ओके आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, बट इट विल बी बेटर अगर आप उसको एक्सप्लेन फॉर्म में लिखो. सेकेंड इज द फेनामेना ऑफ कोरोजन ऑफ मार्बल्स ऑफ द मोन्यूमेंट. जैसे मैंने अभी बताया कि जो उसका कोरोजन होता है, वो जो रोड्स होते हैं, उसे क्या बोलते हैं, डेट इज नोन एज मार्बल कैंसर. विच आर द टू ऑफ द मीन ग्रीन हाउस गैसेज. द मीन गैसेज, तो पहली गैस तो आपकी SO2 है और दूसरी क्या है, दैट इज मीथेन. ओके दैट इज मीथेन. यहाँ पे ध्यान रखिएगा कि यहाँ पे आपको सल्फर लिखना है. Moving ahead, fourth, the phenomena of likely increasing in Earth's average temperature is known as global warming. Okay, global warming. So you can even take the screenshot of these answers, but keep this in mind that you will write sulfur here. इसको edit करने के बाद ही आप इसको screenshot इसका ले सकते हैं. This will help you to complete this fill in the blanks. Moving ahead, true or false? The burning of fossil fuel is one of the many causes of air pollution. That is true. High concentration of nitrogen dioxide in atmosphere can result in respiratory problem. You all know that. That is also true. The UV rays of the sun get absorbed mainly by the oxygen present in atmosphere. तो UV rays तो ऑक्सीजन से एब्जॉर्ब होती नहीं है. So we will write it false. Acid rain does not corrode metal. That is also wrong, क्योंकि acid rain से बहुत नुकसान होता है मेटल को. And sulfur dioxide is one of the greenhouse. That is true. Moving ahead, which of the following is responsible for the depletion of ozone layer? So we will write chlorofluorocarbon here, CFC. Moving ahead, second question, an increase in the amount of carbon dioxide and methane in atmosphere is likely lead to what? It will lead to global warming. Third, the mean gases that trap the solar heat radiation after reflection from the earth are, that is carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor. 4. Taj Mahal at Agra may get damaged if its surrounding atmosphere contain more of what? Sulfur dioxide. Smoke combines with water vapor and dust particle in presence of sunlight to form what? Obviously when there is word smoke, and when it will combine, it will form smoke. Okay. Whenever the term smoke comes, smoke और सारे पोल्यूटेंट से सिर्फ स्मॉग ही बनता है, सो दैट विल बी द क्लियर कट आंसर. दैट आंसर विल बी स्मोक. Moving ahead, come to brief answers now. Here, define the term pollutant. You can write any substance present in environment in proportion greater than its natural abundance and causing harmful effect, that is known as pollutant. You can even write its example here. आप चाहो तो इसका example भी लिख सकते हो. जैसे example में आप यहाँ लिख सकते हो SO2, CO2 and CFC. These all things are pollutant. Okay, you can mention that example also. Second, state two causes of air pollution. You can write that two causes of air pollution are excessive burning of fossil fuel, smoke from factories and vehicles. How is carboxyhemoglobin formed? तो कैसे फॉर्म होता है? When the carbon monoxide combines with hemoglobin, it forms carboxyhemoglobin and it is very lethal for us. State the harmful effects of chlorofluorocarbon. So we can write depletion of ozone layer. 5. Suggest any 3 measures that can help to check global warming. कैसे हम चेक कर सकते हैं? चेक का वर्ड बेटा यहाँ पे है रोकना. ठीक है, हम कैसे उसको चेक करके करेक्ट या रॉन्ग करना ये नहीं है. चेक मीन्स रोकना. सो क्या मेजर्स यूज हो सकते हैं जिससे हम ग्लोबल वार्मिंग को रोकें? आंसर विल बी रिड्यूसिंग द यूज ऑफ फॉसिल फ्यूल्स, स्विचिंग टू क्लीनर फ्यूल्स लाइक CNG, यूजिंग पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस लॉन्ग आंसर्स. Give the meaning of the terms smoke, list its harmful effect. So we can say that when smoke, which contains the oxide of nitrogen, it combines with other air pollutants, it causes smoke. And what are the harmful effects of smokes are? It will cause respiratory disease, poor visibility for pilots and for drivers, affect the normal functioning of plant. Moving ahead, write a short note on acid rain. Oxide of nitrogen and sulfur mix with water and form acid rain. Acid rain is harmful for living beings. It also corrodes the outer layer of buildings and monuments. Taj Mahal has become pale. Pale means what? Yellowish due to effect of acid rain. Okay, so by this way you can write these answers. Third question, list the main cause of increase in concentration of greenhouse gases in atmosphere. क्या main reason है concentration greenhouse gases का increase होने के लिए? तो these main reasons are excessive use of fossil fuel, increase in cattle population, large scale deforestation. Question number 4. State the likely consequences of an increase in greenhouse effect. Consequences मतलब होता है उसका रिजल्ट जो होगा, क्या रिजल्ट हो सकते हैं अगर ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट ऐसे बढ़ता गया तो. So following are the consequences of an increase in greenhouse effect. Global warming result in increase in temperature on earth, melting of glacier, warming of atmosphere. Fifth, write any 5 methods that can help to control air pollution. So what it can be? Reduce the use of fossil fuel, switch over to cleaner fuels like CNG and PNG, increase the use of solar energy, and plant more trees, stop deforestation. Now we will discuss value-based questions. The question was that Ram was walking to his home after school. He noticed that traffic policeman on duty at a congested crossing was not wearing a mask. तो उसने देखा राम रिटर्न हो रहा था स्कूल, तो उसने देखा क्या कि एक बहुत ही कंजेस्टेड एरिया है क्रॉसिंग का और वहाँ पे एक पुलिसमैन है जिसने मास्क नहीं पहना है. He immediately went near him and advised the traffic policeman to wear the mask preferably through his duty hour, but definitely during the peak hour of traffic. The policeman thanked him for this his suggestion. So it's basically about that time जब कोविड स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ था, तो कोविड में आपको कंटिन्यूसली उसको मास्क को रखना है. बट इवन दो फ्रॉम प्रिवेंशन फ्रॉम कोविड-19 आपको एयर पोल्यूशन से भी खुद को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए मास्क को वेयर करना चाहिए, और स्पेशली ऐसे एरिया में जहाँ पे ट्रैफिक बहुत हाई होता है, बिकॉज एयर पोल्यूटेंट्स जो रहते हैं वो आपके रेस्पिरेशन के थ्रू आपकी रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक में एंटर होते हैं एंड देन दे स्टार्ट कॉजिंग मैनी हार्मफुल डिजीजेज. So, do you agree that Ram's suggestion that the policeman should wear a mask during his duty hour? Yes, we are agree. So you will write answer yes. Name the main pollutant caused by combustion of petrol in automobiles. So you can write CO2, SO2. These all are the main pollutant. State the value exhibited by Ram. कौन कौन सी value आपको लगती है कि राम ने exhibit की? So you can say that awareness, intelligence. Now I hope that you all have understood this well. So take care a lot and please subscribe to my channel.